Hi friend, today I showed you the how to check the DC voltage output from the any charger or SMPS, which one will be used for the charging the battery. And this one is charger is the 12 volt charger. And first we have one connection I have given to the main line, and after that we can check like this one by the multimeter output voltage of the DC from the charger or SMPS by the multimeter, and this one will output is near about 14 volt DC for charging the battery. And this is the process for the checking the output from the any SMPS or charger. And when we can use only 2 hours will taken from the output of the DC voltage and connect to the battery for charging the battery continuous. This is the process for checking the output voltage from the any charger or SMPS.